Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Leo for the second week of the August. So before starting the reading, those who are interested in personal readings, you guys can contact me through my email ID or through my website, which is already there in the description. So Leo, in this reading, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the video pulling some final advice. In the recent past, we have the Devil, the Hermit, Seven of Wands. In the present, we have the Queen of Cups, Five of Wands, Eight of Swords. In the near future, we have the Hierophant, Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. So the challenge for the week, Leo, is the Empress. So whatever, with whomever you're dealing with, be cautious, because you should know, is there any growth? Whatever you're doing, whatever the work you're doing, could be in your job, just you need to know, is there any growth? Is it going to influence me in a positive way? Or there's an opportunity coming your way, Leo. You should not have to neglect it, because something is growth happening this week within you. Maybe within you or something practically. I'm going to clarify. In the recent past, there's the Devil, the Hermit, the Seven of Wands. Many of you are dealing with a toxic person. Could be a Capricorn, could be a Virgo. This person was actually physically attracted to you, was not too much emotion. This is not that emotional bondage for many of you in the recent past. Someone was actually overthinking about a situation in the past, maybe about the person in the past, actually resisting, actually not taking any action together with this person, resisting this person, actually wanted to protect yourself in the past. There was a situation which was bringing you to wanting to protect yourself, want to protect my energy, want to protect myself, want to guard myself. That type of situation was there in the past. I'm going to clarify. In the present, there's the Queen of Cups, Five of Wands, the Eight of Swords. Someone is coming your way, could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This person, whoever coming, bringing a lot of conflict together with them. They're here to have some clarity. They're here to bring you to uncomfortable situation. They're here to bring up some fight in the present situation. That's why many of you are not actually being blocked out in your head. Many of you are actually being resistant to this situation, just not taking any action practically. I'm going to clarify. In the recent future, there's a Hierophant, there's the Ace of Pentacles, there's a Queen of Wands. Here you are. So definitely there's an opportunity coming your way, Leo, which is maybe related to a marriage, maybe related to a commitment connection with whom you can actually trust. I'm going to clarify the challenge, the Empress. There's a growth for many of you, Leo, is happening this week. I'm going to clarify it. The Empress is clarified by the Two of Swords, Page of Cups, Eight of Cups. I do see there is someone offering you an emotional connection, Leo, but this could be from someone from the past from whom you actually detached, or I do see that you're being so confused about this person. With the Moon here, with the Swords, definitely I feel there is something hidden. There is something this person is hiding from you. Maybe you have to get some clarity in order to have this person in your future. Many of you, I do see, resisting to go back towards this person. Actually, you guys are actually leaving behind something and moving towards a growth situation. There's a challenge. You have to leave behind something where there is no growth. Maybe someone is offering an emotional connection. If you going back behind this person brings you a growth, then you are maybe going towards this person. Maybe some of you are actually withdrawing from this person in the present situation because you want some growth, right? In the recent past is the Devil, the Hermit, the Seven of Wands. I'm going to clarify the Devil. Who was this person? Was so toxic to you. The situation was very negative in the past. The Devil is clarified by the Knight of Wands, the Fool, The sun. Yes, this person was actually holding you back. Maybe you were in connection with this person, maybe you were in relationship, a serious relationship with this person, but this person was very controlling. This person was not letting you free. This person was like so possessive, holding on together. This wasn't an emotional connection, this was rather physical or something toxic connection. Was you were attached to this person who was not at all letting you to be free, was so controlling, was so possessive. You wanted to really disconnect from this person because you wanted to have some warmth with another person. Maybe you wanted to warm up yourself, you wanted to have a bright future, you wanted to have a happy life, but this person was kind of taking all of your happiness in the past. That's why many of you went through isolation, finding an answer. I'm going to clarify the Seven of Wands. Before that, I'm going to clarify the Hermit. I do feel you found something in the past. There was answers you guys realized in the past. The Hermit is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune, Eight of Swords, the Justice. Yes, you brought a situation to an end. You just removed this person off, started to resist this person. Yes, there was an opportunity given for you to come out of a stuckful situation in the past. Many of you were actually stuck in this connection, stuck in this relationship with this person, not able to take any decisions in your own, was so controlled. This person was so controlling that this person gave you depression in the past, Leo. Many of you actually came to a conclusion. I'm going to clarify the Seven of Wands in the recent past. The Seven of Wands clarified by the Page of Wands, the Three of Swords, the Eight of Pentacles. Yes, you just wanted to remove this there was a breakdown situation. You broke up with this person in the recent past. You are the one. I do feel this is your energies. If it's okay, if it's like removing this person gives me a depression for some days, but it's okay if it's going to give me long-term happiness. Many of you actually concentrated in your career, actually concentrated in your job, started to work on yourself, work on a new project which came your way in the recent past. There was an opportunity given for many of you, Leo. You just left behind this person and started to work on yourself, work on something where maybe new project came up to your way in the recent past, which is why you just removed this person. In the present, there's a Queen of Cups, the Five of Wands, Eight of Swords. I'm going to clarify first the Queen of Cups. Who is this person? Kind of bringing a conflict energy in the present situation. Queen of Cups is clarified by the Four of Wands, the Lovers, Two of Cups. I never got such thing here. Never got such good cards to pull out suddenly. Yes, this person really thinking of something, celebrating together with you. They do want to have a strong connection with you, Leo. They do feel for you. They are emotionally connected. Yes, this is someone with whom you can rely on. This is someone with whom you can have a growth situation. Whoa, someone is like made for you. It's a person, just a perfect person could be coming your way. I'm going to clarify the Five of Wands in the present situation. Why is this Five of Wands here? I feel this is you, Leo, so confused and bringing a conflict on the surface. Five of Wands is clarified by the Ten of Wands, Five of Cups, Ten of Cups. Could be someone from the past coming your way. Maybe you are bringing this conflict onto the surface because in the past the situation was very bad. In the past you were giving too much, you were taking many responsibilities, but the other person wasn't. So many got disconnected from this person. So present situation, everything is just like popping up with this person. Though you do have feelings for them, you kind of resisting because what you did in the past is not so satisfied for you. It's like not was so happy moment for you in the past. Though you have feelings for this person, you are not ready to accept this person in the present situation. I do feel this is your person's energy here, the Eight of Swords. who could be your energy. Someone is not taking any action. The Eight of Swords is clarified with the Ace of Swords, the Judgment, the Knight of Cups. Yes, though this person is offering you something big, though this person is offering you something fresh, it's like offering you, it's okay Leo, we'll start something from the fresh, we'll start something. It's kind of offering you, but you're going through some sort of realization, you are getting some truth, you're just still digging in order to get some more truth about this person. You are going through realization, that's why you are not taking any action towards this person in the present situation, though there is a need for you to take, but you do feel there's a lot of stress attached to this person, there's a lot of responsibility. If I actually accept this person, you're kind of realizing everything in yourself, everything is in your head is going on. I do feel that, Leo, everything is going on in your head, you're not ready to take any action towards this person practically. Everything, you're finding answers in your own, that's why you're not ready to take any actions about this person. In the recent future, there's the Hierophant, there's the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands in the recent future. I'm gonna clarify the Ace of Pentacles. There is an opportunity given for you, maybe related to a serious commitment. Someone could be giving you an offer towards a serious commitment. The Ace of Pentacles is clarified by the Eight of Wands, Queen of Wands, yes, the Chariot. Yes, this person coming very fast into your life, giving you an opportunity. This person is having there's a communication in the near future happening between you guys. Could be a Cancer here. Many of you, it's like you communicating with this person. Maybe you're the one who is offering who is giving an opportunity here towards this person. Many of you are actually, I do see you guys are rushing into this person, giving them an opportunity. I'm going to clarify the Hierophant here. You could be moving with the Cancer very fast. It's like very fast happening here, Leo. The Hierophant is clarified with the King of Pentacles, Six of Wands, the Nine of Swords. Yes, whoever you're moving towards, you have realized that there is a growth, there's a potential this person is offering, maybe you are offering to them. There's a happiness. It's like all your plans towards maybe about your future could be coming your way. It's like happening. For many of you, it's like a potential connection. There's a strong connection between you and the other half. You are finally identifying this person who can actually end all your painful situation. Maybe there is something attached towards this person, anxiety, a stressful situation. Maybe you guys are going through a stressful phase, painful phase, but when this person comes into your way, could be a Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, finally I do see is a commitment happening, because you do feel that this person I could rely on. Yes, there's something big coming your way. There's a lot of growth. I finally see you guys are detaching from a situation which wasn't at all giving you a growth, finally moving towards this person, getting some clarity and moving towards it. I do see that. So Leo, the advice here for you, communication is the key. Yes, when you do feel for this person, when you do feel there's a confusion, you have to give up with the ego and actually go and communicate and get all your confusion cleared. Okay, that is all I have for the Leo people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.